Simulation is valuable to me because I take a lot of routine to get things down. So in that way, by the time I'm finished here, I will know what I'm doing when I leave.
I am practicing endoscopy to retrieve a foreign body because we ourselves can't really go into the animal, so if we use an endoscope, it gives us an actual picture.
I'm working on taping in a catheter. It's kind of cool. It actually mimics a flash.
I am practicing ultrasonography. This just gives us a less invasive means to be able to get inside and see what's going on.
So I was placed in an endotracheal tube for anesthesia.
Other models, let's see. We have the equine for the rectal palpation. The cow actually is really unique because not only do you get to practice palpation with her, but she actually is a calf model that comes with her. We have about a 900-pound horse. It gives us a means to be able to practice how can we utilize ropes to be able to get that animal unstuck.
In short, simulation allows us to train competent and confident veterinarians.